What's up, guys? Today we're making an American classic treat called grilled cheese. This is the final product there. Let's start with our ingredients. We've got a nice soft Japanese bread, but you can use whatever kind you like. White bread is traditional. Then I've got American style slices. This is actually cheddar cheese they process to melt better. And then we got some nice rich gold magnolia butter here that they have here in the Philippines, but you can use whatever you like. Even margarine works. And then some salt. It's that simple, 4 ingredients. The whole process beginning to end is maybe like 5 minutes total. These are what our slices look like. Make sure to take the plastic off. Then our bread, just standard sandwich style bread, but you can use any type of bread you like. We'll put a tablespoon of butter down in the pan to let that melt and throw our bread right on top. Simple as that. Then we'll throw our cheese in the middle. I got 3 slices here because I want it extra cheesy, but you can use however much you like. Cheddar works good, mozzarella works good. Anything you like that tastes good to you will be a great cheese to put in here, as long as it's a nice soft melting cheese. Then I'll put my other tablespoon of butter on top. That way when we flip it over, it'll already be there ready to go. We'll put a little pinch of salt. Not too much, just a little bit. It helps add to the flavor of what's going to go on here at the end product. So we'll spin it around. You want a nice even crust on the bottom of this. The top isn't hot yet because that bread isn't cooked. And I just kind of spin it around, press it down so it's nice and crispy. And then when you're halfway through, you can actually check under the lip here and see if it's golden brown like you want it. I like mine a little extra crispy. You don't want to burn it though. It goes really quick, so if you don't watch it, it will burn. Then we'll flip it over. You can see I've got a nice brown crunch there. Let's zoom in, just like that. So good, guys. And we're almost done. This is how simple the sandwich is. Make sure to use American style cheese, something salty. In the Philippines, they tend to use sweet cheeses. I don't think that would work as well because you want something that melts, has a nice salty flavor to it. At least that's what's traditional to me, but again, use whatever you like. So let's keep it moving around. We'll spin it, make sure it soaks up all that butter on each side, give it another flip. I'm testing it here with the edge of my spatula just to make sure it's got a nice crispy sound. There you go. That's the perfect look right there. The cheese will start melting out the side, so you know that's done in the middle. That's it, guys. Flip it one more time, just to make sure both sides are nice and hot and crispy. Check it with the edge of the spatula. It sounds great. Another close-up for you. We're pretty much done here, guys. That's how simple and easy this is. This is great for kids. They love it in the morning. At least we did growing up. And kids in America seem to really like grilled cheese. Very popular there. We'll slice it diagonally just to make it a little bit nicer for presentation. We don't get a cheese pull here because it's so hot. But in a second, after it cools down before I eat it, you're going to see how nice the cheese pull is. There we go. I'm happy because I know this is going to be delicious. Look like just like that, guys. After 2 minutes, it's cool enough to eat. Let's get in here and take a bite. You can't really hear the crunch, but it's super crispy when I bite into it, guys. Nice fried bread. I hope you get a chance to make this. It's a really good classic American treat. Thanks so much for watching, guys. See you later. Bye.